Hi everyone, welcome back to E2 Food and Juicing. If you're focused on healthy living, today's juice recipe is for you. We're making 2 nutrient-packed drinks with ginger, turmeric, lemon, and avocado pear, which will to boost your immunity, fight inflammation, and nourish your body naturally. Here's what you'll need. 1 medium pineapple, peeled and chopped. 1 thumb-sized piece of fresh turmeric, or 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1 fresh lemon. 1 ripe avocado pear. 1/2 cup water or coconut water, optional for blending. These ingredients work in synergy to support your overall health. Pineapple is high in vitamin C and bromelain, which is great for digestion and immune support. Ginger and lemon are anti-inflammatories and soothing for digestion. Turmeric contains curcumin, also a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Avocado pear provides healthy fats and makes the juice rich and creamy, keeping you fuller longer. To prep your ingredients, peel and chop the pineapple. Peel and cut the lemon, ginger, and turmeric. Cut the avocado in half, remove the seed, and scoop out the flesh. If you have a juicer, juice the pineapple, lemon, ginger, and turmeric. Pour the juice into a blender with the avocado and add water or coconut water. Blend until creamy. If you're using a blender only, strain through a fine sieve if you want a thinner texture. Serve it fresh. Over ice if you prefer it chilled. It's perfect as a morning drink or midday boost. This is a wonderful way to nourish your body while enjoying amazing flavor. If you're serious about healthy living, please watch till the end to see how I use the pulps from my juicing to make a nice and tasty smoothie instead of throwing it into the bin. This is a great source of fibers, and if you watch till the end, it means you like this video. Please don't forget to touch the likes button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Comment below if you try this juice or have any favorite combinations you'd like me to feature. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to check out my other videos below the video description. Thank you.
Juice 2. If you've watched till this point and you're yet to subscribe, please pause and hit the button